Muyumbe wa Mwala Engineer Vincent Musyoka Kawaya ni wokila kwa ibinda yingi ndini wa utongo iwayo lumbungeni walayuwa newa mwanya wa kwithwa emone kivila wanzama ya mawithululuko ndini wa mbunge nene. Kawaya anatuye emone kivila nzamani ya mbunge ya mwaki mwanya ula unaisi ndini wa mawaluku alama ende mautongo wanzama Benjamin Mwaka no kutueleze.
Wauma mwakine wa stima uilika metitone ene safari ya yumetokea Muyumbe wa Mwala Engineer Vincent Musyoka Kawaya ula methana mevutho mevitu unaisi mwana tamwene kivila nzamani ya mwaki ungamini wa stima na mauta zamaila unasukumite muno withianu ndino naicho wa stima ikonosi ondesi ande kwa kwekia movisa sektani kithimine unuvailite.
You see, for us, when an executive order, for instance, is given, even as a committee that is supposed to be independent in our own matters, we take it very, very seriously. When the ministry, for instance, launches a particular project and is attended by the head of state, and this project affects 1.2 million Kenyans, it is no longer about the head of state, it is no longer about yourselves, it is no longer about the ministry, it is about making this project successful.
Na yundene wa mwaluku amaende ungamine wa mbunge kwe umonde Kawaya ni wakilanilia ukangani ungemwehu. Savale yune wa mwene kivila mwanza ya mbunge ya mawithuluko metito na wenzu wa mavia malato mwana ula wanyuwa vatena usindani.
I just want to echo your comments that we will move together. We have to do this together. And one member said that this is a very big sector with the mining, with forestry, with the environment, and everybody is talking about climate action. There's a lot of discussion across the world around this sector. And we are the people to make it work and make it also grow. I like challenges. This is one area that I think there is a great opportunity for growth.
Kawaya nola wosa mwana wa David Gikaria Muyumbe na Cool Town ya umelon waswa nuwathana kweta utuika nzamani kwimia miao na mioloto miailu ya kusesea mitito wenzi mwailu wa mavia malato nanzi ambailu siya kukutana mwaluku manzeve.
You even mentioned one of the sectors of the sagas that has grown in terms of A&A to a tune of 2 billion. Basically, that's what we have also seen in the other sectors we have served in, with opportunities to grow and even most of the departments be able to generate their own incomes so that they can be able to free the exchequer.
Indoro wiovo ni wakulia mema zamani makwatia ne vumwe kuseuvya miao milumu ya kusesea wanange kwa mawithuluko. Munini wa Kawaya zamani ni Muyumbe wa Mbaringo Ethio Charles Kamuren.
You remember His Excellency the President, one of the key promises that he gave to this nation when he came to the office was improving in climate change through planting of 15 billion trees. And this is a target that he has set internationally, in which he has to fulfill. All the stakeholders across Kenya and outside have something as a scorecard for His Excellency the President. That's the 15 billion trees. You are now on that hot pot, being the chair to steer this committee and the nation towards achievement of this promise that the President has given out.
Again, also around the issue of, and you saw the President the other day launch action on the cleaning of River Athi. And that's a huge, huge project, which members, again, it's very, very important for us to ensure that this succeeds alongside these other programs that this administration has interest in making sure that they succeed. And as the Oversight Committee, we will not just oversight blindly, oversight and also give support for the success, because if we succeed, Kenya succeeds.
Vilingo mauvo kumavaka undini lovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.